Hey, the ingredients are about to be displayed right now. Pause the video and get the ingredients if you want to make this. In the meantime, let's continue on with the video on how I made this turkey sausage and shrimp Creole. I'ma tell y'all in the beginning while y'all see me cutting up the Holy Trinity and things like that, how this even all came about. Let's go. This is Cecilia's way of cooking. And so let me talk to y'all for a minute. Basically, this was originally supposed to be a simple turkey sausage gumbo, but what had happened was I turned it into Creole and added shrimp to it and made it turkey sausage and shrimp Creole because I felt like, to me, in my humble opinion, to some extent, it would have been just a little bit too simple. And I know I like to be extra when it comes to me cooking or whatever. I like to do a little bit of extra stuff because that's just me. But also another reason too, is because I felt like later on, y'all will see in the video about as far as the roux, I feel like I had way more vegetables than I did roux. And when I seen everybody else and how they made their roux, they had a cup of flour and a cup of oil. But I used way less than that. I used 1/8 of a cup of both because I didn't want to have too much oil. And again, unauthenticated. I was just doing improv as I went. And so here I am chopping up all the veggies. As y'all can see, already did the celery and the onion. I just had the bell pepper, the garlic, and the jalapeno left over. And also, I took seeds out of 1/2 of the jalapeno because I didn't want it too spicy. But with the after result, I thought it was going to be a medium spicy. It wasn't even medium spicy. It was practically mild. And I used the biggest jalapeno that I had out of the bunch. I had 3 left, and I used the biggest one, but then, you know, I had a V8 moment because I had thought about it. I was just like, okay, the bigger the pepper, the less spicier it is. And I was like, dang, I should have used one of the smaller ones I had. But it was too late. The damage was done. So I just went on with the flow. And again, you know, it was going to be too simple for me. And I was trying not to use shrimp for the most part because I had already made some shrimp stroganoff yesterday. So I was trying not to shrimp myself to death, but I was just like, damn, this gonna be way too simple to just have sausage. I gotta have a filler somewhere or something. So I went on ahead, peeled some shrimp, put them in some water, let them unthaw, and then I threw them in at the last minute. So some of the things that y'all are going to see near the end of the video, it's basically, I didn't record those steps because I wasn't expecting to go there to make it full-blown Creole, unauthentic Creole. I'm not even going to try to say it's authenticated because I myself am not from the South. I'm a city girl. But yeah, just the way that I would go about doing things. But y'all, when I say this was good, I did a damn good job for it not to have any spice to it. I'm proud of the result that it came out to be in. I'm very proud, and I'm happy I still got some left. I might end up eating some in the morning, you know? But yeah, here I am chopping up the garlic. Y'all, as y'all can see, I did the jalapeno already, so that's good. Next step is going to be the turkey sausage. Now, my favorite part is the turkey sausage because of what's playing. Here we go. I don't know. It's just something about chopped and screwed music that gets to me. Y'all hear that beauty? That is so beautiful. Okay. On with the rest of the tutorial. So what I did was, since this was turkey sausage and it was very lean, it didn't have it, you know, it didn't provide much fat. I basically added in like 2 tablespoons of butter, and you want to brown your sausage until it's until you can get some fond at the bottom. But I had washed my fond out only because I didn't want it to burn before adding the flour. Here's the roux that I was talking about. I didn't have enough roux. I had way more vegetables than I did roux, and so I just went on ahead and I seasoned it up, and yeah. There it is. Like it's heavy on the Trinity, but I love my vegetables. I love to see my vegetables in anything that I do. And y'all will see the end result in the picture once it's all done. I had a fail. I had a fail right there. I forgot the onion up. I forgot to open the onion powder. But yeah, y'all will see the end result once everything is said and done. This is when y'all will see that I didn't record adding in the shrimp or the sausage. There's the whole thing, and I decided to make some cornbread and rice to go with it because why not? And y'all, this was good. This was definitely good. I definitely make this again, but I'm gonna go back and do some more editing. I hope y'all enjoy. I want to thank y'all for watching, and in the meantime, I'll talk to y'all